How to clear Safari data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Safari. Safari helps to browse the internet, access websites, manage tabs and bookmarks. Scroll down and tap on the Clear History and Website Data. Here, you can select the time frame for the data you wish to clear, such as today or all history. You can also use the toggle to choose whether you want to close all your open tabs. Once you've selected your preferences, tap the Clear History button to confirm. This action will reset your browser data. Following these steps, you can easily clear your Safari browsing data on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.